Hi everyone, this is Jan, and today I'm going to talk to you about having high clearance. We have a Chevy van. It is a Explorer, and yes, it does have high clearance. We also had a van we used, which was a View, and it did not have high clearance. So you just need to realize all vans are not created equal. When you go into a national park and you are stopped at the toll booth to pay to get into the park, they will hand you a pamphlet, and it will contain all kinds of information about the park. And when you open it out, it also has a map of the park, the roads, the various things that you can see while you're in there. And it will also indicate what roads are dirt roads, extremely bumpy roads, and roads that need high clearance, and roads that have just been plowed by the Park Service. And if you have heard of washboard roads, when the Park Service plows that road, and I'm not talking about winter plowing, I'm talking about summer plowing, it is extremely rough, and it sounds like every nut and bolt is going to fall right out of your car. Now, why do they plow it? Because it gets blown over with sand. And the sand can make it impossible for you to travel on without getting stuck. Now, how are you going to know if you can make it or not? Well, you stop at the visitor center and you talk to a ranger. We've actually had rangers come out and look at our vehicle and say, yeah, if you drive carefully, I think you can go down this road that's requiring high clearance because of rocks. And we've had some that were just doozies. And they'll say, but if you take it easy, you don't speed, you can get through there and you can see what's at the end of this road. Now, I'm showing you some of the roads we've been on. And they require high clearance. The only ones we don't go on are the ones that require four-wheel drive, because we don't have four-wheel drive. And when they tell you they need four-wheel drive, they're not kidding. So, depend upon your ranger. He will know what the road condition is because they travel those roads several times a day. Someone does. They relay the information back to the visitor centers, to all the rangers, so they know what the conditions are out on the roads. In the West, roads are normally a little more rough than they are on the East. But if you've had rain, the best road in the world can turn into the most dangerous road in the world, particularly if it's red clay. That gets slick just like ice. But don't be afraid if you see something that says high clearance. Go see the ranger. It may be that you'll be okay if you take it easy on that road.